Hi friends, welcome back to our backend application using the NodeJS and expressjs. Last class we have completed the creation of the post, or in this session we are going to work on the update post. First I am going to create one function called update post equal to asynchronous handle function. In this we are going to pass the callback function called request comma with parameters request comma response arrow function. First I am going to collect the body elements like title and my form elements like title and body from request.body. I'm going to check whether the post is exist or not. For that I'm going to write the check the post is already exist or not. Const post equal to await. This is a asynchronous function. This is a promise based API. That's why we are going to post dot find by ID. I'm going to pass the here. I'm going to take the one more thing is a ID from request dot params. I'm going to show this how we will get the ID using the while testing the application. I'm going to pass this ID. Or you can call this as the post ID also. We are going to change according to the our requirement, either the ID or either the post ID. It is a as a it is a it is a promise based API. That's why we have used the await and async. Then we are going to check the condition if not post. If not post means it will give the null means I'm going to throw a error. I'm going to throw new API error. I'm going to use this API error 404 post not found. 404 post not found. Post not found. If this API is if the API is if the suppose post is exist, if post is exist, I'm going to update my post. Post dot update. Sorry, post dot we can do update also, but we can do directly like this also. Find by ID and update. Find by ID and update. First argument is ID. We are going to pass. Second argument is object of set title comma body. Title comma body. And one more argument is like third argument is new is true. New is true. New is true means if you did not mention this new column true means it will return the old post. If you mention the new column true means it will give the while giving here updated post, it will give the new post. If you mention the new column true means it will give the new updated post. But if you should not mention this new column true means that if you not mention means it will give this post is updated, but it will give the old post title and body and ID. That's why we are going to giving the new column true. We are going to check this updated post. Updated post, not of updated post means we are going to throw a error. Throw new API error 400 comma post updation failed. Updation failed. Post updation failed. If this it will not throw an error, if it will not give the null, or it will give the some post some object, we are going to proceed with that return the response JSON. So you have to give the status 200.json of. In this we are going to pass the my API response, new API response of 40200 status code comma data we are going to pass like a updated data, this updated data comma we are going to pass message called post updated successfully, post updated successfully, post updated successfully. If you want to test this application, we are going to first do the export this updated update post, this one create post and update post, and come to my routes file here, router.route of dot slash post slash column id. Here we have mentioned the column id. Here if you mention here column id means here we are getting the in the update post function we are getting the id. If you mention the here instead of this id, if you mention this post id post like this means here also we are going to change into the every id we are going to change into the this capital id, this capital id. Here also we are going to change the automatically, here also we are going to change the capital id like this. Here uh, here we are going to change the capital id, but I'm leaving with the id for simplification purpose. I'm leaving with the id. Here also I'm leaving with the id, and I'm going to call my put method. It is update method, that's why we are going to call the put method update post. Update post, we have it is auto completed, it is automatically imported the update post also from the post.controller.js file. If you go to the my postman, open the my here, not here, open my here post, here click on the one more request, update post, name it as update post, and change here to put method. We have used here put method, that's why we are going to change it to put method. Come to the my terminal, or you can run here new terminal. I'm in the my folder only. Here npm run dev. I'm running my application. Application is still running. See, mongodb connection successful. We got the host name, mongodb host name, and mongodb database name, and we have got the server is running on the port number 7662. First we are going to create the one post here, then I'm going to update with the post. Here create the post called welcome to programming elements, welcome to programming elements, welcome to programming elements channel. It contains lot of technology stack to watch 3 plus 100 plus hours. Okay, if you want to create this, I'm going to send this post. See, post is created successfully. if you want to update this post, suppose if you want to update post, I'm copying my id, and come to the update post. First, what is the folder? First copy this URL, and then slash. Okay, copy this one. My mouse is not working properly. Copy this one and give the again one more body here. Change here, and I'm going to copy this one also. Copy this one also. Welcome to programming elements channel. I'm giving here channel, and here also I'm going to change channel. It contains lot of technical stack to watch 100 plus hours. I'm giving here 1000 plus hours. 1000 plus hours content. If you click on the send button, see post is updated. Here, welcome to programming elements channel. Previously it is programming elements, but now it is updated to welcome to programming elements channel. A channel contains a lot of technical stack to watch 100 plus hours, 1000 plus hours content. See, if you see the update time and created time is if you see here, compare, created time is same, but both the cases, but updated time is, here it is 5:8. If you see here, 3:44. It is changed. Updated time is changed. Like this, we are going to perform the update operation, and in the next session we are going to see the delete post and get all posts.